Once, in a forgotten town, a sinister secret lurked in an abandoned mansion. Legend spoke of eerie whispers that echoed through the night, drawing unsuspecting souls into its malevolent grasp. Our protagonist, a curious investigator named Alex, decided to unravel the mystery. Armed with only a flashlight and a camera, Alex entered the decaying mansion. As the creaky floorboards groaned beneath each step, an unsettling chill filled the air. The investigation took an ominous turn when Alex discovered an old diary that detailed the tragic tale of a family who once resided there. A dark force had consumed them, leaving behind a trail of despair and unspoken horrors. As Alex delved deeper, strange occurrences intensified. Flickering lights, phantom footsteps, and whispers that seemed to crawl from the walls. The camera captured fleeting glimpses of shadowy figures, adding an eerie layer to the unfolding nightmare. Suddenly, the whispers became more distinct, revealing the tortured souls trapped within the mansion. The vengeful spirits, angered by the intrusion, manifested in ghastly forms, their anguished faces materializing in the dim light. Desperation gripped Alex as the paranormal activity escalated. In a heart-pounding climax, the investigator found themselves entangled in a spectral realm, facing the malevolent force head-on. The chilling conclusion left viewers questioning the thin veil between the living and the dead, as the haunted whispers continued to echo through the abandoned mansion, forever haunting the town's forgotten corridors.